Dr. Dhara. A very warm welcome to the Festival of Wellbeing 3rd edition, powered by Amul.
Thank you so much.
Big congratulations to you on being on the list of 40 under 40. How does it feel to win this award and how does it help you?
So honestly, it feels unreal. It feels very grateful and blessed. I'm glad to be present here. I think my dad up there would be really proud today because he's always taught me one thing: never say no to anyone who is in pain because you have the blessing, you have the power of healing. So I think I've made him proud today. So it feels wonderful.
Definitely, you have. Would you want to talk about how did you start this journey?
Yeah. So I started with obviously my practice as a clinical physiotherapist, and I progressed into the digital healthcare when it was quite new and challenging. So I started working with Healthify Me as a consultant, and eventually I have scaled up and I have climbed my path up as a subject matter expert and a quality analyst, where I was handling a team, I was mentoring a team of 60 plus consultants day in and out, helping them to uplift their services and take care of their business metrics as well. So it feels amazing to be a part of this organization as well. So yeah.
It's amazing. So, if I may ask, would you want to highlight two key milestones that you have crossed and that's the reason that you're standing here today?
Well, one of the major milestones that I would highlight, which has enlightened me, is being a mother. So I feel usually people say that motherhood ends your journey, but I would rather say that post motherhood, I have found a different energy, perseverance, and strength. So that is one of the milestones. And my second milestone is definitely being a part of top 40 under 40 leaders for well-being at BW.
Awesome. So, what's your perspective on the coming future for the next few years?
Well, I believe wellness is going to be very holistic because so far we've always been treating the symptoms, but we've never really, looked into the root cause. So my mission is to ensure that we heal every person that we come across, every life that we come across, which I reiterate with my team as well. I keep telling them that the genuine will of helping someone, you should never lose, and every business metric will always be taken care of. So my vision is to ensure that people don't lose trust from the healthcare and ensure that every individual is empowered to live a healthy life so that no family has to go through the pain of diseases, illness, because that's quite difficult and challenging since I've been through one. So I certainly not want anybody to go through that ever.
Very well said. Thank you so much for your time, and we wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
Coming future.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you so much.